Hi, I'm Marielle Velez for Intro to Communications and Media, Fall 2020. This is Learning Unit 1 Reflection Assignment. I'm going to be talking to you today about J. Crew and Zara, two fashion brands that were created around the same time in the 1980s and today have two very different realities in how their businesses are performing. Let's start with Zara. Amancio Ortega owns 59% of Interdex, the world's largest clothing retailer that owns Zara, Pull&Bear, Bershka, Massimo Dutti, Stradivarius, and other brands, and has more than 7,500 stores around the world. Amancio was the founder of Zara and is the sixth richest person in the world. What sets Zara apart from other retailers is the way that they market or don't market. They don't spend a lot on marketing, which allows them to have that money to open more stores, create products quickly, and it allows customers to feel that what they buy won't be recognized instantly. Zara also has a bottom-up approach. They scout the streets for what looks are currently in to dictate new products, which means the customer dictates what is seen in stores. Also known for their fast fashion and low stock. Fashions can go from concept to store in 4 weeks' time. And then the low stock they send to stores allows for exclusivity and frequent customer returns. If a customer goes to the store and sees that the item they're looking for is sold out, they're more likely to come back frequently to check on that item. Then there's J. Crew, a company owned by two private equity groups, LGP and TPG Capital. Its slogan is, "It doesn't get more classic than this," and that is correct. They're so classic that they don't really attract newer, younger buyers. The price point also sets them apart in a negative way, especially in comparison to retailers like Zara that have the fast fashion at a lower price point. They are also seen to put more investment into marketing. The way that they choose to market their brand doesn't really appeal to the younger generation. Also, their nostalgic concepts become stagnant designs. J. Crew, as I said before, has the "it doesn't get more classic than this." And the reality is that their styles don't change. From season to season, you see the same styles being rotated in and out. This doesn't attract people to want to see what's happening differently in the stores, what new designs, what new concepts they're bringing forward. What I would do to turn it around would be to begin with closing stores. I believe J. Crew has over 400 locations. That's between their J. Crew, Madewell, and J. Crew factory stores. Obviously, we know retail locations aren't as glamorous or sought after as they once were. Online traffic is up. So that's where I would start. I'd also bring fresh designs. It's great to have a look and something you're known for. But without change, customers run out of things to buy. So if you're selling the same button down each season, your customer probably already has that button down. I'd also say that they don't really have much diversity or inclusivity in the range of their models. Brands like Target, Aerie, and Zara, they use diverse and real looking models in their brands, and Zara, I'd have to say, is really known for this. Also, I'd get more of their clothes into the hands of influencers. A lot of the marketing is right now is happening in places like YouTube, Instagram, and a little bit still on Facebook. Zara definitely has a lot of this where they'll have influencers doing hauls on YouTube and even Instagram showing off what they're wearing and what they buy and even what they've rebought from Zara. J. Crew could do a little more of this introducing younger people to their clothes by sending influencers some clothes, having them try it on, and getting positive feedback that way. These are just some of the things I would do to try to help J. Crew as a brand, and also some of the things I wanted to point out about Zara and how what they're doing is working for them. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them.